Hello and welcome to the U-Select Catering Equipment Review Show. Today we are doing the Rational Combi Master Plus range. Combi ovens are a remarkable piece of equipment. They're called combi ovens because they combine steam and dry heat to cook your food in a different way. Using a combi oven, you can do lots of different things. You can steam, you can grill, you can bake, you can even shallow fry. And they help chefs produce remarkable results. The undisputed leaders of the market are Rational. They're a German company. They started in 1976. Rational have built a stellar reputation because they're constantly improving their product, making it better and better and better. And they also have a great sales and support network in the UK and around the world, which makes chefs feel very confident in their purchase. The Combi Master Plus range are made for chefs who really understand combination cooking. Those who know exactly when to give pastries that they're cooking a blast of steam and when to turn the steam right down to give dry heat to crisp them up. They keep things simple with the Combi Master Plus. They just have a fan control, a temperature control, a steam control and an on and off button. That's pretty much all you have. And if you understand combination cooking, then this is a very powerful tool, a simple and powerful tool for you to produce great food. The Combi Master Plus also have the option to do some simple programs. So you simply tell the machine how much steam, how much heat, how much fan you want, and set a time. And then you can program different steps in a program which allows you to create signature programs for your own signature dishes. Very, very simple and straightforward, not complicated at all. All Combi Master Pluses, like all Rational ovens, follow a very simple sizing structure as well. They come in the XS, which is a small machine for that can be mounted on a wall, which is slightly separate from the rest of the range. And then you have 6 racks, 10 racks, and 20 racks. There are 2 distinctions in the 6 racks, 10 racks and 20 racks. You have 6 racks, 10 racks and 20 racks with a 1 on the end, so 61, 101, 201. They take a 1/1 gastronome tray, so they're narrow, and they all have the same footprint. So if you can fit one into your kitchen, you know you can fit the other 2. So if you are thinking about an upgrade and increasing the size of your combi oven, you know which one to get. The other side of it is the 62, 102 and the 202. They take a 2/1 gastronome tray, so twice as wide. And again, all of those 3 models have the same footprint. If you are looking to know what size you need, if you are a very high volume producing hundreds and hundreds of meals a day, you want one of the 20 racks. If you're medium, maybe doing a couple of hundred meals a day, maybe a few more, you want the 10 racks. If you're doing less than that and you have a medium to small size business, you want to look at the 6 racks or the XS. You can get gas models or electric models. On the electric models, you will need 3-phase. That's something you need to check before you make a purchase. If you're using a gas version, you only need a 13 amp connection for the electrics, but you will need to check that your extraction is adequate. The Combi Master Pluses also have a fantastic self-cleaning system. It's really easy to use. Put the tablets in, press a button, and it cleans itself overnight. So if you are a chef who really understands combination cooking, or someone who wants to learn about it and feels confident that they're going to be able to take the time to do it, the Combi Master Plus is perfect for you because it is simple to use, well made, and it will not let you down.